game is the perfect.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Subway Surf. If you have any more game suggestions if you have any more game suggestions that I should play on my phone, just add a comment. And yeah, just remember, it doesn't matter if you like, follow, share. It all just matters on just having a good day. I will love it if you guys follow, share, like. My goal is to get 50 followers. Probably by the end of the year, whatever. And make sure to go check out my YouTube gaming channel. At Zacchaeus Gaming. I'll have a link for it in the comments. So it's Zacchaeus Gaming, and then since it's a religious name, you need to search up Zacchaeus Gaming. Just playing Hill Climb 2, and it'll come up with me playing Hill Climb 2. And then after that, all you need to do is just watch a few videos if you like them. Once again, I will appreciate it if you guys like, subscribe, share, or whatever. Yeah, if you have more game suggestions that I could post on YouTube, then leave the comments in YouTube for me to do that. And yeah, all I am wishing for you guys is to have a wonderful day today. That's all that matters, just having a wonderful day. Don't let anyone be mean to you. If someone's mean to you, never ever retaliate. You just need to walk away and be the bigger person. And if you're still in school like me, look, I have a little bit of anger issues, and every single time someone tries to bully me, I sometimes retaliate, but I've learned to walk away. So just always walk away. Be the bigger person. And that's all you have to do. It's that easy. And then you won't get in trouble, but they will. They will get in trouble for being mean. Yeah, I don't really have much to say here, but okay. And I think my friend has a TikTok account, so I'm gonna mention him in the comments. So yeah, I might also have a link to his TikTok account if he has started one yet. And yeah, so I will be able to upload a lot. I might actually, so Tuesday and Wednesday, I will be uploading a lot because I'll be with one of my friends. I might even record some Fortnite. And if you want to see more videos like this, or just these like 10-minute videos, yeah, just check it out. Okay, I've been talking about my TikTok a lot. So guys, so I've been talking about my TikTok a lot. I just figured out that it wouldn't work if I posted this on TikTok, because like hardly anyone would actually watch it. So I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Oh fuck. I'm just gonna wait for the X. painful stuff. Okay, let's have a look. What did we get? We got some Freshers boom boxes. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, we got some of the UFOs. Oh, is it seriously another ad? No, it's not nice. Okay, guys, let's try this again. Okay. So you can go check out my TikTok if you want. Pardon me. And on my TikTok, I'm gonna so like on my TikTok, I'm gonna mention a bunch of TikTokers I really like. Let me quickly mention one now. The TikTok name is I Dislike Trolls. They are very nice. Look, very nice. And yeah, that's about all I'm gonna say about TikTok. Okay, I got 37 boards. Guys, why do I have so many boards? Also, after this one, I'm gonna have a look through the skins and stuff that I can get, or the boards, and I'm gonna let you guys comment on like what skin or board I should get. Yeah, so just remember, I know I've said this again. I know I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. Just remember, it doesn't like if you follow someone on TikTok, like, subscribe on YouTube or whatever. It doesn't matter. It's just that you just need to have a good day and look, never let anyone bully you ever. And you know, for me, look, I'm only 11 this year. I'm 11 October. I'm 11 on October 15th, and my dad died when I was just 2 weeks old, and it just hurts that I don't have any memories of him. Like, it just hurts that. What the fuck? I have like no memories of him. Right. But that's okay, because all I need to know is that he's up in heaven. That's all I need to know, is he's up in heaven having a good time. Oh, you guys, I can only do this for like 10 minutes, because I don't know why. So this was supposed to be TikTok, but that's what's okay, guys. If an alarm goes off for 10 minutes, yeah, it's because you can only create a TikTok on TikTok for 10 minutes. That was the longest time, but that's alright. We're gonna beat my high score right now. How much time do we have left? See, guys, there was key there, wasn't there? Oh, guys, comment down below if you could beat my high score. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my guys. I'm gonna show you guys my high score in a minute. Once I got like RIP, which should be very soon. If I could play risky like that. Why is there always things there? Why? There's always like such a good letters and stuff, but no, I just can't get the letters, can I? No. So guys, I'll just do TikToks and stuff just to make some pocket money. That's literally one of the only reasons why I do it. Ah, no. No, we're 5% why? Tell me why you nothing but the hail. Yo, wait, can I pause that? My brightness just went out. Rest in peace. Anyways, I'm gonna have to stop this in a second because my phone is at 5%, and I don't really want to die. Ooga booga. Okay, let's quickly look at that before. Let's quickly claim all this jibber crap. Let's go, keys, yay! Claim. Boom, boom. Oh. Okay, so 16 keys, sheesh. Okay, I'm super sheesh. What's my top run? That's my top run there, guys. You know, see the crown. When you say me, it has my top run. But this one here, this one right there is my top run. Okay, peace out, guys.